So the OnePlus 16 is obviously going to be one of the best flagship devices of 2026. It's going to be a huge upgrade across the board. The specs of the device are insane. The specs we're seeing from the leaks, okay, although these leaks are not official, but the specs are insane if they turn out to be true. According to the leaks, the device is expected to pack a massive 7500 mAh battery. Some sources are claiming 9000 mAh Glacier Battery developed with CATL, up to 120 watts fast charging, or even 150 watts fast charging. The device is also expected to support 50 watts wireless charging, a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, and a faster LPDDR6 RAM. Display leaks also point to a 6.78-inch or 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel with refresh rates ranging from 165Hz and 185Hz all the way up to 240Hz, plus ultra-thin 0.9mm bezels. Camera rumors also include a triple rear camera setup consisting of either a 50MP or 200MP main sensor, a 200MP or 50MP periscope telephoto camera, a 50MP ultra wide angle lens, and a new DetailMax imaging engine that could replace Hasselblad branding. It is also expected to launch with ColorOS 17 based on Android 17. But the biggest question surrounding the OnePlus 16 isn't the specs, it's whether you'll be able to buy it or not. The phone is expected to launch in China around October or November 2026 with a starting price of roughly $899 or higher. However, OnePlus recently confirmed that it will no longer launch new products in Europe and North America, making the global future of the OnePlus 16 highly uncertain. Existing users will of course continue receiving software updates, warranty coverage, and after-sales support, but new flagship launches in those regions are no longer planned. So what this means basically is that the OnePlus 16 would most likely not drop in the United States and the EU. So if you're based in the United States and Europe, the OnePlus 16 may not launch in your markets, but you could still be able to buy the OnePlus 16 from China if you want. But of course, this comes with a lot of drawdowns. It's going to have a Chinese ROM, which we know isn't as easy to interact with compared to a global ROM. So while the OnePlus 16 could end up being one of the most powerful Android phones of 2026, the real story is that it may primarily be a China-focused device, with availability in other markets becoming much more limited than previous OnePlus flagships. For many fans, the biggest challenge may not be affording the OnePlus 16, it may be finding an official way to buy one at all. The device is also expected to be available in India, but there are some news and some leaks, some rumors that are suggesting that OnePlus may withdraw from India as well. Of course, this isn't confirmed, but it's most likely going to be true. Anyway, these are just the details that I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If I get more details about the OnePlus 16, I will definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. And if you're based in the EU or the United States, feel free to share your thoughts, because you guys are the ones affected by this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.